Hey guys, it's Morgan and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that red subscribe button right down below right now. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. You already know I love you all to the moon and back. Mwah. Today I'm basically just going to be showing you all how I do my own nails at home. This is just what works for me and what I've been doing. And you know, practice makes perfect. So I've been doing this is like my third or fourth time doing it. I chose to start doing my own nails for multiple reasons, but the main being that I was just tired of giving other people my money for something I knew that I could do myself, and I hated waiting in line to get my nails done. So I just figured, why not go ahead and get the tools that I needed, and I can do it whenever I wanted to. I do cut a few steps out that the nail salon actually does. So at first I sanded my nail bed, and this was just to remove any shine from your actual nail bed, so that when you do apply the false nail, it will stick more easily and not keep coming off. And once you apply your false nail to your real nail, then you're just going to apply the extra bonding strength liquid that I'm doing, well, I just did. And this is just for extra security for your nails so that they don't easily pop off. And then you're just going to go ahead and trim your nails to the length that you desire. After you file your nails to the shape and length that you desire, then you're going to go in with your liquid monomer and your acrylic powder. Now this part is the most trickiest part, and is the part that really takes practice. So in order to make sure that you don't have too much or too little liquid on your brush, you're going to fully dip the brush into the liquid monomer and then dab the sides of the brush twice onto the sides of the cup, and grab a small piece size of the acrylic powder and get to spreading on those nails, ladies. The method that I discovered that works best for me is if I layer the false nail first with the acrylic and then work my way to the back. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak right now. But then again, it's probably because I'm trying to work out and do this voiceover. Can you believe I'm working out and doing a voiceover for this video so I can upload for you all? Oh my gosh. Throughout the layering process, you're just going to add as many layers as you desire. I add quite a few layers just because I like it like that medium size, not too thin where it can easily pop off, and not too thick where they're looking unreal. But you will definitely be able to tell. Oh, I'm sorry, I had to pin my hair up, it kept getting in my way. So as y'all can see, I just finished the pinky. So basically you're just going to repeat for each nail. So I'm only going to show y'all how to do one hand, because if I were to do both, then the video would be like super long, and I'm already going to have to condense it into a shorter time frame. finally to the end. We're going to try to separate the nail in your actual finger from the acrylic if there's any stuck on the side, and just make sure that we file those really good, those sides and the top of the nail, to make sure we have that defined shape that we started with. Take our medium drill bit and we are going to drill, sand, file the top of our nails to even out and make our surface of the nail super smooth, and making sure we just remove any of those imperfections in our nails so that they are oh so perfect. Once we're finished with the nail drill, we're just going to go in with the buffer to do the same thing, removing any imperfections for that smooth surface. And instead of me just adding a regular clear top coat, I'm going to go in with the gel based top coat, not only for an extra glossy look, but because I hate sitting under the regular fan as a dryer for my nails. So I'm just going to use the gel UV dryer lamp light that I have and sit under there for exactly 60 seconds, and that's it. After you sit under the lamp for 1 minute, then you're just going to go in with some nail remover to remove that top sticky layer, and then you are all set, I promise. Finally, we are all finished, and this is the final product. If you liked this video and enjoyed it, please like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. Bye!